What up, YouTube? Joe Kyser here, coming at you with another video. Today we have drone footage again. The drone footage is of Paulsboro, New Jersey. I'm doing this footage for a couple reasons. First and foremost, my best friend Mary, which is out of state, and she's not able to be here and see all this where I live in my town. Well, now she kind of sort of can, you know? Well, she gets an aerial view. Get a good idea, right? Second, I went over to my brother-in-law Joe's house, and he's here with me too. Actually, he took some of this footage. He took some, then I took over, and I took some, and then I got my two nieces and my nephew too. Well, they're there with us, but then I got them playing in the backyard, and that's towards the end of the video. So I guess what I'll do is I'll just narrate a little bit here, what's going on and what we see. How's that sound? This is indeed the other side of my town. My town's pretty small. It's not big at all. Very, very, very small, as a matter of fact. You look at it in a map, it's going to look like a little tiny dot as compared to anything else. So this is, you know, literally a couple minutes away by car. I don't know if this section of the neighborhood has a name, to be honest with you. You know, I guess every neighborhood has their own little name sections. Like, I live in the Billingsport section. I don't know, I'm not too sure. I've been here this long, and I don't know. It's been years and years. Well, anyway. So these are all the houses there in his section, and they all look pretty much the same. There's some row homes there, I think on like half of his street, and then the street next to him's like row homes and all. If you look real close, you'll see. And there's like some other buildings, like apartment building kind of they made. That's not too far. I don't think you see that maybe here. I know you see the one set of apartment buildings at some point, but it's a little mix, you know? And that's actually his street right there. That's the end of his street. I used to live right there in the corner. That corner building you see, I lived upstairs for a little while. I lived in a couple different houses on that street years and years ago, a long time ago. But let's see, I don't know what I forget what we were doing here. I know at one point we were trying to figure out where we were. It was so sunny and we had lost the drone in the sky. And we were just sitting there looking and looking. Oh, here, I remember now. I was showing them how you could actually go, the camera view, you could go up with it all the way up. And you could actually go above the drone with this one, the camera view. My Mavic, you can't do that, the bigger one. So this one here is the Mini. It's an authentic DJI Mini. It's real, believe me. Oh man. So here we are again. What are we doing? At some point we come down. I start flying around the backyard. I think maybe we're trying to figure out how to come in to the landing spot between the houses and trees and all here. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. You're probably about to see us any minute. There's my nephew. There's Joe. There I am. Look at those Jordan 7s, baby. Marvin the Martians. They came out in 2016. Little fun fact. I like my Jordans. Yes, I do. Only real ones, though. We don't do foo-foo here. No foo-foo. Alright, so here I was showing how fast it can go. You can put this thing in sport mode, and it literally zooms. I mean, you see it. I wasn't even going full throttle, and it was just ripping around. Quick as can be. I love that little DJI Mini. That drone is so cool. It's cheaper than my other one. It's smaller. It doesn't have as many functions. But I really think I like this drone better. I don't know. I don't know. I keep saying I don't know, but every time I use it, I really like it. I'm more and more impressed every time. I know at some point the kids come into the shot. I was trying to get them to play over here so we could get them playing and all. I kind of forget what I was doing there. Focusing something. Right now I'm about to spin around here and look down because they're on the slide. Yep, see, they're right there. There's Emily. It's Joe's daughter, my niece. And there we go. There's Savannah. Right, yep. Standing up. Yep, we're getting your picture. Go ahead and slide. Joseph's around here somewhere. That's Joe's little boy. I know he'll pop up sooner or later. He's there. He's probably watching the drone. He's probably near me. Oh, there he is, right at the bottom of the screen. Rocket across, showing off. Alright, here we go. Up and down, up and down. Oh, we got the backwards now. Gonna go backward. Whoa! Oh, all that energy. She's gonna be a little YouTuber, I think, one day. She seems to be pretty interested in it. I have some old video. I have some videos when she was a baby. We made a YouTube video. It's private now, but I still have it. It's not the best drone footage ever. I was moving it around a lot and, you know, making it go crazy, but it's the point. You know, you get a little idea here. See my nieces and nephews playing and get an idea of the neighborhood and all that. Pretty neat, right? You can see, it looks like, is that blowing his hair? Yeah. Pretty neat. There she goes. I like that spinning type of, it's pretty neat for like an intro or an outro. That'd be like a good outro. That's all she wrote. That is pretty much all she wrote. That's all I got for today. Thank you for watching. Joe Kyser. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good whatever it is, wherever you're at. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.